Hello, my name is Joseph Mosher, and this is my live demo for Walking Count Survey Project 1. Slide 1 would be my Lab 6 Step 11 results. So Step 10 will be the 210 records as it shows, and Step 11 groups the data by buyer and calculates and ranks the total quantities. Slide 2 will be my AWS system diagram. The Walking Count Survey data starts as a CSV file, and then the files are uploaded into Amazon S3 bucket, and then from Amazon S3 bucket is loaded into Snowflake, where I created the database and schema and table, and then from Snowflake I then connected it to TableAU Cloud using a live connection, and then using TableAU just to create the visualizations and a dashboard for them from the data. And then my bucket creation would be here. If I go to buckets, bucket is successfully created, and then the file is here as well. And then my database setup, as you can see, my database is already here and already set up. It will say successfully already exists. And then this will be my schema created and already exists, statement succeeded. And then my table would be here, create a table, it's already existed, so I won't run that. And then what's next? Next would be my project data loaded. So if I select count from Walking Count Survey, it will show the count. And then from next will be preview data. So I would preview the data and run this, and all the data is here from the Walking Count file. And then for my simple query, I just used a select query, selecting the first 10 rows of the data. As you can see, the first 10 rows. And then my advanced query, I just used a describe tables query. This just shows the object ID, side ID, etc. It just makes it more clear. And then for my advanced query 2, I just used a row numbered data query. So I just used a table expression together with the row number function, and then the row number function just assigns the number to each row in the data set, as you can see. And then next would be the live connection. As you can see, if I go to data source, I connected this from Snowflake into TableAU. And then my first chart would be just a simple bar chart, just showing the total walking count by location, and then as you can see, location is placed into columns, and the total count is used as the measuring point. And then chart 2, I just created a simple line chart showing the total walking count across years. And then another chart would be another bar chart just comparing weekday and weekends. And then putting all those data sets or visualizations into a dashboard. And then that's the dashboard. And lastly, estimated time would be 8 to 10 hours, and cost would be dependent on the Snowflake, AWS, and TableAU subscription plan that you choose. And that's the end of my demo. Thank you.